In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a sales report from Zoho Books. This step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to extract the information you need from your accounting software with just a few simple clicks. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Enter your login credentials if prompted and navigate to your dashboard. This will be your starting point where you can access all features and settings available within Zoho Books. Take a moment to ensure you are familiar with this interface, as understanding where everything is located will help you navigate more efficiently. Once on your dashboard, look for the tab labeled Reports. Click on it, and this will take you to the section where all the reports are housed. The Report section organizes financial data into various useful categories, providing quick and easy access to detailed insights about your business performance. Inside the Reports section, you will need to focus on the Sales category. This area includes reports specifically related to sales activities, allowing you to analyze and assess your sales figures in depth. Scan through these options to find a sales report that fits your needs. Typical options include sales by customer or sales by item, both vital for reviewing customers' purchasing patterns or assessing the performance of your products and services. After selecting a specific sales report, look for the Export button. This is usually located in a conspicuous area of the interface, making it easy to spot. Click on it to begin the process of exporting your sales data. When you click Export, Zoho Books will prompt you to choose a file type for the export. Options generally include formats like Excel, CSV, or PDF. Consider the format that best suits your further processing needs. For instance, if you wish to perform data analysis in a spreadsheet, you might choose Excel or CSV. Next, you'll need to enter a file name for the report that you are exporting. Think of a specific and descriptive name that will allow you to easily identify the file later on your computer. This can be particularly helpful if you are downloading multiple reports and want to keep everything organized. Once you have typed in the file name and double-checked that all settings are correct, it's time to finalize the export. Click on Export again to complete the process. Your sales report will then be prepared for download and saved to your chosen location. You can now utilize this data for detailed analysis or record-keeping purposes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully downloaded a sales report from Zoho Books. Remember to explore different types of sales reports and customize the data as per your business requirements to get the most out of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.